the front is just kind of like, it's going to give you an example of how your multiple choice style questions could be on STAR and how the style of questions for the game. But what I'm really going to check is the back. Okay. Yes. So if you flip it on the back, this is where you're going to show your work. Okay. So I'm just going to go over a couple with you to make sure you're on the right track. The problem that's in the box correlates to the number on the front. Okay. And then after you work it, you can check to see, did I get that? Is that an answer choice? All right. Okay. So on number 1 here, I'm going to probably just do this first row. So for all of these, we're multiplying. Anytime I see parentheses, that's indicating multiplication. All right. And we're using the FOIL method. Okay, we did this before the break. Okay, so just to recap, for FOIL, the F is the first 2 terms in the grouping in the parentheses. So that's x times x.
So x squared.
No.
X squared.
X to the second power. Yeah, x squared. Okay. All right. And then O is the x to the outer. Yeah. So that's 3x.
Yes, I knew that.
The I are the inner terms. So yeah, -4 in the x. So this is -4x. All right. And then the last term. Yeah, -4. Oh, that should be black. -4 in that 3 minus 12. I don't know why this is doing this. All right. Yep. Then we're going to combine like terms. So if we're doing the FOIL correctly, our like terms should be here with the O and the I. Okay. X squared is the highest exponent. We're going to put it in standard form, high to low. X squared minus x minus 12. Okay. We're going to box that. And then we can check to see if we were on the right by look at our answer choice. Did we get an x squared minus x minus 12?
Yes.
That was B. Okay, so he's from Fremont. Okay. Fremont. All right, so I'm going to go. I want to talk about number 4 next because we have to remember what this is really telling us. What?
K squared and then
16.
No, what is this K, this binomial to the second power mean?
oh, it's just K.
What does this mean? It means 2. It means you have 2 factors.
Wow. Is it K squared plus 12?
No, 2 factors.
And parentheses, and then we get
Guys, so how would I write this if I'm saying I have 2 factors of K plus 4? Yeah, K plus 4 and parentheses K plus 4. Yes. So you have to remember that if I have an exponent, that tells me the number of factors I have of that term. All right, now we're just doing our FOIL, okay? So K times K is K squared. I don't know why it keeps doing this. Then our K times the 4, 4K. Then another 4K. And then plus 16. Now we just need to combine like terms. So the like terms are the K's. So K squared plus 8K plus 16.
It's not the 9.
Okay.
I knew it wasn't. Was he dead? What do you mean?
You literally went into the armor before you.
1976.
Why can't you just do K squared plus
It
16?
literally, read number 6.
K squared plus 16.
Oh no, it says his actual color. You died.
Because there's two, we got like terms.
I don't know, but you need to do the mathematics.
Okay.
Like, ooh.
On number 8, guys, this last row is still FOIL. I just don't want having 2 letters to confuse you. Okay. Just remember we put them in standard form as highest exponent to lowest, but you still do standard form in the sense of alphabetical order. So we're still going to do first times first. So this is going to be a negative 12y squared. The outer is the 4y times 8z, 32, then yz, right? Alpha, y comes before z. Does that make sense on what I just did that? Okay. All right, then we're going to do inner, which is negative 2z times the negative 3y. So that's a positive 6yz. And then a negative 2 times our 8z. So this will be minus 16z squared. And I know I kind of ran out of room there. All right. All right, so then, oops, I can't do that. Then we're going to combine like terms. And it's still going to be in the middle here. So a negative 12y squared plus 38yz minus 16z squared. All right, so everyone is turning this in for a grade. So I will be checking the back, your work in each box, your final answer. Use the front to help you problem solve. Make sure you're on the right track. You can eliminate or check your work.
L is last, right?
Yeah, L is last. Yes.